Welcome to RareShare Basics. Here you can see our homepage. As you scroll down to the right, you can see a Help section, a Frequently Asked Questions section, a RareShare News section, and at the bottom, you can see a place for users to log into their account, for new users to create an account, and a place to contact us at RareShare. You can also register for an account at the top right corner. To sign up for an account, pick a username and fill out your personal information, including your email, your name, your date of birth, gender, city, state, country, and choose a password. Select the boxes to agree to the RareShare Terms of Service and Privacy Policy and complete the reCAPTCHA. Then click Sign Up. You have successfully created your account. Alternately, you can sign in with your Facebook or Google account. Once you have created your RareShare account, you can log in at the top right corner and then enter your email address and password. After you log in, you will be able to see your profile by clicking the icon at the top right corner with your username. You can also update and complete your profile. Beside that, there is a Resources tab. This is where you can access the many resources RareShare offers, such as communities, guides, ebooks, podcasts, video interviews, newsletters, and more. On the left, you can see a list of the communities you are a member of and the newest members of the communities. You will also see the most recent RareShare news. If you scroll down, you can see any updates in your communities, including the new comments and discussions. You can also invite a friend to join the RareShare site by sending an invitation to their email address. At the top, beside the Resources tab, there is also a search bar. Navigate to your desired community by clicking on it under your list of communities. On the community homepage, you will see a brief overview of the rare disease and some community statistics. If you scroll down, you will be able to see the different discussion forums within the community. You can click on the tabs on the left to view the community details, which will provide information such as the prevalence, the cause, symptoms, diagnosis, diagnostic tests, treatments, and prognosis. You can also navigate to the discussion forum using the tab on the left. At the top, there is a button to start a new discussion. You will also be able to access disorder-specific resources and discover more information about clinical trials through their corresponding tabs on the left. You can search for a specific disease through the search bar and access the community that way, or you can click the Resources tab and then Communities, which will take you to a list of all the existing RareShare communities. There is also the alphabet at the top of the disease community list so that you can jump to a specific part of the list to look for a specific disease. Once you have found a community you would like to join, click the Join button. At the top, there will be a banner notifying you that you have successfully joined the community. Our Frequently Asked Questions section can also be accessed through the Resources tab. You will also be able to read our Terms of Service, Privacy Policy, and Cookie Policy, should those be of interest. The members of the RareShare team and their roles can also be found here. RareShare has various guides for various topics, such as why and how one becomes a community leader. You can also find our ebooks for some diseases made by the RG Scientific Analyst team. Podcasts conducted with experts in the field are also available for users to listen to. Our newsletters are archived, and you can also subscribe to our mailing list for more updates.